How to add stickers in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add sticker through the help of edits app. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, launch the app on your Android device. Then in the home page, tap on new project or plus and import your photos or a video. Once your media is loaded, look for the option like stickers. Tap on the sticker option. This will open a library of available stickers. Some may be animated or themed, like emojis, sparkling hearts, text bubbles, etc. Now tap to select a sticker. It will appear on your photo or a video. Use two fingers to resize and rotate or move the stickers wherever you want. Confirm when you are finished editing. Now tap on Save or Export to download your final edit with the sticker. And that's it. This is how you can add stickers through the Edits app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button. And also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.